What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we have the Gemini Jets airport update of Colorado Springs Airport. It has been a while since we've done this, but we do have a lot of exciting stuff in this airport update. So if you guys are excited, please make sure to drop a like, and if you end up liking the video, please consider subscribing. We will start off with this United Express Embraer E145. This aircraft is in the old livery and will be heading out to Houston Intercontinental. Moving on to our next aircraft, which is the Hawaiian Airbus A330-200. Typically this aircraft would never set foot in all of Colorado, but today it visited Colorado Springs as a military charter from Los Angeles, here to drop off and pick up troops. So this will be heading out to Los Angeles, and it is second in line for departure. I'm so happy to see this aircraft here because it is a gorgeous livery and deserves to be at a Colorado airport. Third in line for takeoff, we have the Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700. This aircraft is in the new livery, also known as the Heart 1 livery. This aircraft has the split scimitar winglets and will be heading out to Dallas. Starting us off at our terminal area, we'll be starting off at the United gates as usual. Right here we do have the United Express Bombardier CRJ-200, also known as Mitsubishi 200. This aircraft just arrived into the gate, and it arrived in from Denver. Moving on to our next aircraft, we have the SkyWest Airlines Bombardier CRJ-700. This is in the SkyWest Airlines livery, of course, and is operating for United. I am hoping to fly the CRJ-700 very soon and get a trip report out for that. But this is loading on passengers as well as baggage onto the back and will be heading out to Houston. Moving on to United Airlines mainline, we have the United Airbus A320. This is in the Stars and Bars livery. It's been a while since I have used this aircraft, but I'm happy to see it back. It is currently loading on the passengers as well as the catering service before it heads out to Chicago ORD, and it also arrived in from there. In the back there we have the United 737-700. This aircraft is in the new livery as well as it is equipped with the split scimitar winglets. This just pulled into the gate as it arrived in from Denver and will be heading back out to Denver in about 20 minutes. Just in the back there we have the Southwest 737-700. This aircraft is in the mustard livery. It just arrived in from Denver and will be heading out to Las Vegas. As you can see, it is getting the passengers loaded on as the jetway is connected, and the fuel is also getting loaded onto the aircraft. Starting off at our Frontier gates, we have the Frontier Airbus A320neo in the Colorado the Bighorn Sheep livery. This is pushing back shortly and will be heading out to Phoenix, Arizona. I did recently fly on Frontier's Airbus A320neo from Denver to Branson. It was amazing scenery, and I did make a video of it, and I'll put a link to it above this video if you guys want to check it out. It is just amazing scenery and you won't want to miss it. I also did get the chance to fly their stretched seating. Following that last aircraft, we have another Frontier aircraft. This is the Airbus A319. Currently there's only one A319 flying, so it's pretty rare to see, and it's in the old livery. This is offloading the passengers as it just arrived in from its now extinct route from Orlando. Unfortunately, Frontier did cancel the Orlando route, but it's getting catered and will be heading out to Las Vegas. Moving on to our one and only American aircraft, we have the American Airlines 737-800. This aircraft is offloading the passengers as it just arrived in from Dallas-Fort Worth. As you can see, this livery is in the chrome livery, very gorgeous livery. And the catering service as well as the crew is boarding back on to head back to Dallas-Fort Worth in about 20 minutes. And then following that, we do have this Delta connection, Bombardier's CRJ-900. Typically the CRJ-200 flies here, but I did want to spice it up by adding the -900. This aircraft just arrived in from Salt Lake City and will be heading back out to Salt Lake City in about 20 minutes. That does wrap up today's airport update of Colorado Springs Airport. I hope you did enjoy. I am so excited that I put in a few special liveries today as well as a special aircraft. That really helps spice up the airport update. Please let me know in the comments what you guys think of this airport and what else you want to see. If you want to see any other videos that I haven't made yet, please let me know because I always love hearing from my subscribers. Once again, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, please consider leaving a like before you go, as well as subscribing because it is completely free and you can cancel at any time. I just like subscribing to aviation channels because I like aviation, that's it. So thank you guys for watching wherever you are from around the world, whether it's day or night. Thank you for watching and have a good rest of your day.